Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you Call of Duty Warzone error. Notice new update available, please update the game via the launcher. So if you are getting this error in Call of Duty Warzone game, then here follow the steps to fix this error. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Call of Duty and then select properties. Now change the language to any other language. For example, select German. You will see that update option is available. So simply click on update and wait for the update to get completed. Just wait, it will take some time. And once the update completes, then again right click on Call of Duty and go to properties. Then change the language back to English. And again you will see the update option. So click on update and wait for the update to get complete. And second time when the update get completed, then you can launch the game and the error should be gone. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.